What did catch my attention, and I would suppose the attention of the markets, was that there were three dissenters who actually voted for a rate hike in April. And that initially sparked some yen strength in the market. And for those of you watching the visual version of this, you can see on the chart that as we came off this level that we were holding or waiting to break around that 216 level, we initially saw close to a 100 pip move straight to the downside off of that reaction to the perceived yen strength. With that being said, what you can also see is the market slowly working its way back up to that level. We went all the way down to about 215 even. We're back up to about 215 half. And there was a reason for that. Now, shortly after the rate change and the votes and all that information came out, Governor Ueda followed up with a much more measured and cautious tone, right? We'll call this a dovish tone. So the three dissenters was maybe more of a hawkish outlook, meaning hike, 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 hike. This more measured and cautious tone was more dovish, meaning, hey, let's just chill for a little bit. This is also classic central bank communication where people come out and they just don't want to say anything to get you feeling one way or the other. But he pretty much emphasized the need for more time to evaluate the global situation, but more importantly, mentioned that he didn't know how many months it would take to determine the next rate hike. And in my opinion, this was the key line, because if we were going to see sustained yen strength, we needed something really hawkish. We needed something really aggressive, something clear like we're hiking June 16th. It's coming. You can bank it. And this was anything but that.